Imagine working hard your entire life to afford your dream car, only to wreck it on day one. Or worse, have someone in a beat-up clunker slam right into you. This compilation is full of jaw-dropping moments that might make you question if luxury cars are really worth the risk. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Despite a dangerous skid, this Porsche 911 Turbo recovers as if nothing happened.
To infinity and beyond!
A black 2018 Tesla Model S is seen launching off a hilly street in Los Angeles before crashing into parked cars. The incident, which occurred in the Echo Park neighborhood, triggered an LAPD investigation. The driver, identified as TikTok influencer Dominikas Zeglaitis, claimed the stunt on social media, although the video has since been deleted. Authorities consider him a person of interest in the hit-and-run case. In Miami Beach, a valet tried to impress by revving a Lamborghini Aventador. But flames from the exhaust set the rear of the vehicle on fire, causing a spectacular blaze. The 400,000-plus supercar was severely damaged, but fortunately, no one was injured. What do you think of this Maserati? Maybe the snow tires weren't installed? What a super driver! Must be the Ferrari that's badly tuned. A beautiful Mercedes with the sideways driving option. I feel a pain in my heart. Tell me, how do you even manage to flip a Mercedes G-Class? A Lamborghini submarine? What are the risks of water getting into the exhaust? Any tips? And here is our mechanical advice in this case. An exhaust pipe submerged in water can draw in water from the outside, which may severely damage the engine through hydrolock. A sports car isn't made for the sea. This kind of thing happens a lot. Even with a Nissan GTR, if you go full throttle, you can skid out. Be careful of sudden accelerations. Who's at fault here? BMWs are made to live in pairs. Here's a great example. A spectacular incident occurred in Guangzhou, China, when a luxurious purple car was involved in a collision with a yellow truck, a beautiful Rolls-Royce Dawn. The crash caused significant damage to the front of the luxury vehicle, especially the left fender and wheel. No, he didn't climb on top. Don't provoke the neighbor's kid. Kids these days are full of surprises. In 2016, a woman accidentally reversed her vintage Mercedes-Benz onto a $300,000 Ferrari 458 Special during a car event in Virginia. The incident, caught on video, showed the Mercedes on top of the Ferrari's hood. A C8 Corvette driver tried to show off with a dramatic launch on a public road, but lost control and smashed into a mailbox. The failed stunt, caught on video, left the car damaged and the driver embarrassed. The clip quickly went viral, drawing heavy criticism from the car community. Despite the beautiful car, a Toyota Supra, the driver can't adjust his speed for the turn. We're in Dubai, and this lady somehow managed to abuse a stunning 2021 Polaris slingshot. A Ferrari driver tried to impress by running a stop sign but lost control and crashed. The incident highlights the dangers of reckless behavior in powerful cars. And this is the beauty. The spectators are shocked by what just happened and rush toward the driver to check if he's okay.
This is okay. These.
That's painful to see on such a nice car. And there it goes. A freshly bought SUV heading straight to the bottom of the port. A collision between a McLaren 720S and a Porsche Cayenne. The Porsche got off relatively lightly. This driver found a spot to park for free. All right, I'll just park next to the Nissan. What's that noise? I'd better get out of here before I get into trouble. Lucky there were no surveillance cameras. A brand new Ferrari Roma worth $243,000 plunged down an elevator shaft at a Florida dealership after a car lift malfunction. Emergency crews responded quickly, cutting power to stop a fuel leak and setting up portable standpipes. The incident got attention for both the damage and the complex recovery effort. A beautiful Porsche crashes into a road sign while reversing. I think the camera and side mirror are broken. This Camaro backs into another car. What happens next will surprise you. During a track day at Estoril in Portugal, a black Ferrari 488 GTB suffered a sudden brake failure in one of the circuit's fastest sections. The driver struggled to control the car as it hurtled toward a barrier. What happens next is both shocking and dramatic. A lifting machine mishap. Right-of-way rules, always causing problems. Another McLaren 720S ends up badly. What happened? Anyone have a theory? Owning a Bugatti should mean you're a skilled driver, but in Dubai, it just means you've got money to burn. A small scratch, but one that'll cost as much as an entire car. Poor Lambo left in a parking lot too long. Every local hater took a shot at it. How can you hurt these beauties? Imagine getting a delivery with a bonus included. A Lamborghini Huracan LP 580-2 was completely destroyed after a massive fire engulfed it. The exact cause is unknown. A lovely Nissan GTR struggles to park properly. This driver tries to impress his friends, but we all know where that leads. A quick trip to the mechanic for a new wheel and body work.
What?
YouTuber Edmund Barsegian crashed his $3 million McLaren Senna in Los Angeles while trying to show off to friends. The video shows the car accelerating fast before losing control and hitting a building. Barsegian later apologized on Instagram, admitting his mistake and expressing regret for doing it on a public road. A green McLaren 675 LT recently ended up off-road in the woods, creating a dramatic scene. Don't leave your Porsche GT3 RS parked just anywhere. Jealous people are everywhere.
This is a really nice Porsche too.
It really hurts my heart to see this kind of waste.
Oh my God, can I get those rims? Can I get those brakes maybe?
These days, most drivers seem to win their licenses in a raffle. You will see why. For the car experts, what model is this and what engine does it have? I think it's a 1994 Chevrolet Camaro, right? Mercedes and speed. Together, they let you explore incredible places. A magnificent Toyota Supra in the hands of an idiot. Breaks my heart to see these kinds of mistakes. The driver seems happy. During the unrest in Los Angeles in June 2020, a black Porsche 911 GT3 was heavily vandalized, smashed windows, orange graffiti, and ultimately set on fire by rioters. A Lamborghini stripped of its wheels and just left there. That's the first time I've ever seen something like that on a Lamborghini. In Rossignol, Belgium, a delivery truck with a protruding metal blade caused an incident so unbelievable that, without video evidence, no one would have believed it. As the truck pulled away, the blade scraped a parked Porsche, leaving a deep gash along its side. It felt like a dagger to the heart. A mint-condition Bentley Continental GT is seen being crushed, likely a pre-production or test model. These vehicles are often destroyed to prevent parts from reaching the market, in line with strict manufacturer policies. The video captures the luxury coupe's final moments as it's compacted, showing how seriously automakers treat prototype disposal. Did you enjoy the video? Let us know your story in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the other videos on the channel, and stay tuned for more. Every view, like, and comment helps us bring you even better content. See you soon.